Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notification each time I upload a new video. Even if you're not new, I again was looking at analytics on my YouTube channel, and a lot of you that watch every week are not subscribed yet. So please, please subscribe. It really, really helps my channel so much. And I thank you in advance for that because it really does help a lot. All right, so today's quick and easy day. I am sharing this little treat holder. I made these a few times before, I think, but I'm changing it up, of course, because I have new stamps and I have new dies to change it up with and some new ribbon. So this is the one I'm sharing. I think it was a couple years ago I used a little bunny on here. I don't even remember what it was. I'll link it somewhere in the description or in the video somewhere where you can check out that one, because that one was really cute too. But I don't know if all the designer series paper and the products are still available because it's been really a long time. But isn't he so cute? I've been dying to use this little chick and I thought it was so cute. I am using these Hershey's bunnies. I got these at the Dollar Tree, but I've seen them at Walmart. I've seen them all over the place. I think Target had them. Yeah, I've seen them everywhere. So this is what I'm sharing today. So let's go ahead and I'm going to tell you what you need. You need a piece that's 2 inches by 9. I'm using Balmy Blue for this because it picked up the little color on the edge of this. And the other one I have has that same blue on it. And then the designer series paper that I'm using is the Abstract Beauty, this 4 by 6. I'm using the back side of this one. And it's this plaid, which I thought was perfect for Easter. I thought it was so cute. And then this piece right here is 2.5 by 1 7/8. So that is our designer series paper. You're going to need scrap basic white. And I am using this gingham ribbon, which is the Bumblebee, I believe. Yes, it's Bumblebee. This is also retiring. So anything that's retiring you want to get your hands on, because the retiring list is out, and I'm telling you, things go so fast on there. I've had a few people already ask about things. And my Pierce Blooms, if you saw my card on Tuesday, if you haven't seen it, it's really, really a cute one. I use the Pierce Blooms on that because that's retiring. And they are like one of my all-time favorite dies. And that says a lot because I love those dies. I'm so sad they're going away. Both tag topper punches are going away, I believe. So many things. All right, so then what I'm using for this, the stamp sets I'm using is the Easter Friends, which is this little chick, and then the Happy Easter from Celebrating You. You can use any Happy Easter that you have, but I love this one right there. It's so cute. And I'm using the basic borders for the border this time because this looked like a cracked Easter egg to me. So I'm using that one out of here. I did use these dies on my project, my card on Tuesday as well. I think that's everything for this. I'm still got all these Pierce Blooms things hanging around. I have a pile because I did a bunch of cards with it. All right, and I think that is it. All right, let's get started. So what we're gonna do is we are going to score this. And you're just scoring it on the 9-inch side, and you're going to score it at 5, 5.5, and 8 1/4. And that's going to be all of your scoring, y'all. So easy. All right. So we are going to sharpen these. And this is going to go this way because we're going to be cutting our little border out on this one. When I did these, they became really popular on my YouTube channel and also on Pinterest. So I think it's really, really cute project. So this is the tag topper I'm using. I can't remember the name, but I'll put it in the video. I always forget the names of these. But we are going to use this for... I use these tag toppers a ton. I'm going to miss so many things that are going away. I'm so sad about a lot of things going away. But we got really new such cute stuff coming, so be on the lookout for that. May 3rd, the new catalog comes out. So I'm going to bring in my cut and emboss, and I'm using this big one for this, even though this is small instead of my mini, because I need to lay this across this way, and I do not, it's the little one's not wide enough because I don't want to mess up my die. In fact, I need to move it over. It has to be right in the center of your platform here. So now line that up. Use my mint tape on there, and we're just going to run it through, because you don't want to break your die there. So it needs to be right in that, and so that's what it looks like right there. It's really cute. And that's all we need this for. So it's going to go like that. And I'm going to grab my other one. This is the other one I have. We're going to put it in there. I'm going to mat it. I'm just going to use some wet glue. I'm going to use my ribbon here. And we're going to tie this around here. It's funny because after I did this, I've seen so many other people do the same thing. And honestly, I thought it was my idea, but who knows if it was or not. It's so funny how things work like that. Alright, let's make this a little bit smaller. And it's going to go on the side here. I'm going to use some glue dots to hold down my little flap here. So you want it underneath that little flap there. I'm going to use my ribbon shears. I hope you can't hear my husband. All of a sudden he's out there doing some work right by my window here in my craft room. So I hope it's not distracting. Alright, so I'm going to grab some glue dots. And we're just going to, I'm going to hold that down just with some glue dots here. Alright, so now we are going to stamp and color our little chick. He's so cute. I'm using blends to color it because he's so darn cute. And let's go ahead and stamp our Happy Easter while we have that out. I'm going to stamp it on here. I always like to stamp on the edge there, the straight edge. And this came out to be 2 inches, which I'm going to measure it on here because I didn't cut it. I can do it right here though. It was 2 inches by 3/4 of an inch. Alright, let's go ahead and color this really quick. It's a really quick and easy color. So for this one, I'm using the SU3CO. This is a new shade that we got. These are actually like skin color shades. And we just came out with a whole set of them. You can check those in my shop, on my blog. They have a bunch of them. All different skin tones. But I'm going to use it just to outline this little duck. And then I'm going to use some of my pumpkin pie, and this is the dark for its little beak and its feet. And then we're going to use the dark, so saffron. And we're going to color him in here. And then I'm going to use the light Daffodil Delight for the center of him. I just like his edges dark better. I think it looks really cute with the edges a little bit darker. I'm going to darken my So Saffron though, just a bit. And that is it. Alright, I'm going to fussy cut this. I'll speed through it and I'll meet you at the end here. And there's our little chick all ready to go. And he's so, so cute. And if you have a scan and cut, if you're going to make a bunch for like classrooms, use your scan and cut for that, because it would go super fast. I'm actually thinking of doing this, doing a bunch of them. So that's what I'm going to do, because I cannot fussy cut like I used to. It's really makes me sad, but because I really like fussy cutting. I know a lot of you do not like to fussy cut, but that's okay. All right, get you a scan and cut. All right, and I'm not sponsored anyway by Scan and Cut, but I'm telling you, it has been so much of a lifesaver for me. All right, then we're gonna just add our little chick right here at the top, in the middle, and it's all done. And here's the other one. Wouldn't they be really cute for like a classroom? Or I think the kids would really like it. And it's a really good size, you know, little candy bar for them. All right, everyone. Don't forget the retiring list is out. You can check it on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. I have it posted in one of my blogs, like probably a couple down, so you can browse through there. And then I'll probably repost it again. And then this is my March host code. Oh my gosh, y'all, March is almost over. I cannot believe it. So that's my March host code. If you'd use the host code when you order, I really, really appreciate it. And thank you all for watching. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.